Rory the unicorn.
Fit like Rory.
I wants to come on a tour with me.
Aye, we all want to come.
Can we all come?
Fitwine had gone to all Aberdeen. We'll start at King's College Chapel. Now, if you look over there, you'll get a clue to fit why you have a unicorn giving you a tour in all Aberdeen. Yon is a Scottish royal coat of arms, and I've been on it since the mid-1400s. It's here on a wa o King's Chapel, 'cause King James IV was a free in no varsity. Now let's have a looky inside the chapel. King's Chapel is the oldest remaining part o varsity. It was set up by Bishop Elphinstone in 1495. It's tacks in a rood screen in a choir staffs. A long time syne, a choristers, just young loons, they were fair scannert. Nae doot they'd rather be outside, running about doing their own thing. And we ken they were fair scannert, 'cause o' a graffiti scratted into a pews. Fit why nae, pop in and have a looky for yourself next time you're on High Street. Let's awa out and see a bishop's sarcophagus. Bishop Elphinstone was a manny for set up Aberdeen Varsity. But first, he had to win permission for a pope. A letter was sent to Rome, and it screeved at a folk o' Aberdeen were roch, gleckit, and would benefit for a varsity. He was a rich chairman, wasn't he? Now let's awa to the chanry. It's as far a ghost he was seen. Better nae tell you that. I might flag ya. Alright then, this is a story. It was a caul Yuletide night in 1968. A young woman had been visiting folk in Seaton, and she was taking a short way home along the chanry. It was a cranrich caul night. Her een were drawn to a muck of wa just ahead of her. Leaning out of wa was a chiel wearing a feit fisherman's gansy and looking straight at her. Nothing unca about that, you would think, but there was nae hole in a wa. Another part of his corp didn't exist ava. Weel, a hairs on the back of her neck started to rise. She got out of there as fast as she could. Fitwine, come and see if you can spot a ghostie. And if you div, Neast a brig of Balgownie. A brig of Balgownie is mair nor 700 year old. It's the oldest medieval brig in Scotland. It gies o'er a deep peel, cried a Blake nook. June 1635, there was a monster spotted in a river Don, just aside a brig. It had a head like a fulpy, hands and arms like a manny, short shanks, and a tail and hair on its head. It was seen swimming underneath the brig. Folk fae our Aberdeen come to see it. Puckles tried to scare it away, and others tried to catch it, but it couldn't manage. It was there for 2 days afore it disappeared and was never seen again. If you want to see Merrimatur around all Aberdeen, then Fitwine buy a book.